I
Sorry,
have
I'm
done
joking.
this drawing.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done this drawing during lockdown.
This is a very good exercise, you know. It can reduce your stress.
Ma'am, I am Mai Bhayani.
Mahir. Yes, beta. So tell me what you have done in this lockdown period.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, I
have
have
joined
learned.
class.
One by one,
Ma'am,
one by one.
Ma'am,
Wait,
I
let
have
me.
joined art class and learned how to draw worldly art and
Yes,
other
ma'am.
like paintings.
Yes, ma'am. Madhubani, worldly art, how to draw it. I have joined that class. Me and Mahir both.
Okay, what? Only
And ma'am,
drawing.
I also learned how to give headshot by arm.
Oh,
Ma'am,
wow.
ma'am, I have made one drawing. Can you see that?
Yes, show me. Sujan, who is that?
Ma'am, Ashpreet. Ashpreet.
Ashwit, 1 second, beta. Let me
Yes.
gallery view. Yes, beta. Now I can see you all together.
Ma'am, can you see?
Wow, very good, beta. Very nice. Nice work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I tried using alcohol markers.
Show me.
Ma'am, I tried using alcohol markers.
Okay. Any drawing you have done? Show me that one.
Ma'am, thousands.
इंद्राणी
Thousands.
मैम
My
Yes,
mom
ma'am.
brought it.
Yes, ma'am.
वो रिकॉर्डिंग कुछ चालू है क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ओके ओके अच्छा.
Very good. Very
Ma'am.
nice work. Nice work.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Wow,
I have joined
Shikha, you have done worldly also. And
Yes, ma'am.
Bhairavi is showing some.
background is
Good.
pending.
Hmm.
I have learned this from that class.
Hmm.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
there's even
Wow,
more.
Jai also showing their work. Rajshri, very good.
Ma'am,
I have tried this on tissue.
Wow. Riya, lovely work.
Ma'am, this is
Rajshri,
Black Panther.
Rajshri.
Ma'am,
Wow, Mahir. Very good, very creative. And Jai, lovely work, beta. Vidya, very good. Harshita is showing good work, beta.
Ma'am, I also drawn this Shinchan.
Oh, wow. So nice to see you all. Very good. But I'm pretty upset because some cameras are showing off till now. Let me see your face. Aditya Prasad is joining. Okay.
hello.
Ma'am, I want to see your smile in physical class. Lakshika.
मामा जियो का देखो ना खत्म हो गया आपका.
And I
मतलब
need
इसका.
to see your smile in this virtual class. So
Yes.
we all are happy now. Correct?
Ma'am, I have tried this on tissue.
Yes. Who is this?
Ma'am, I have tried this on tissue.
Sorry, but I can't see. Who is this? Tell your name. Let me see.
Yeah.
Harshita is showing her work.
Ma'am, it's on tissue.
Oh, now I understood. On tissue you have done. Nice work, beta. Very good.
Yes.
So many kind of experiment work you have done this time. Wow, lovely. Zuben, what happened to you? Why are you looking so upset like this? Huh? Show
Ma'am,
me
I also done this.
Mahir.
Ma'am, can you see?
Mahir is doing many cartoonist kind of thing. Wow. I think you
DJ
love
Alok.
this.
Ma'am.
So what are you expecting from me? You all learned everything. What I'm going to teach you? You teach me now.
Ma'am.
Yes. So many things you all learned.
And I learned mandala art.
Mandala art. What is the importance of mandala art, beta? Can you tell me? Can you share your experience about mandala art?
Ma'am, mandala.
Yes, Rajeshri. Rajeshri. Rajeshri, can you share your experience about mandala art?
Yeah.
Yeah, beta, tell me. Urvi also showing na mandala art?
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, one by one. Rajeshri, first you tell me what is the importance of mandala art? What you learned? You have done the drawing only, correct? And any other thing you realize while doing this mandala art? Any other kind of feeling?
While doing it, we should use some thin pen to do it so that the design should be better.
Hmm.
And some.
Now tell me what thing
Ma'am,
from
Ma'am,
inner
can I
you learn.
say?
Yes,
ma'am,
tell me.
Ma'am, can I say?
ma'am, first of all, from mandala art, na, we get one thing. Ki if you want to do mandala art, that
Hmm.
contains small details. That if you want to do mandala art
Hmm.
perfectly, you want to do it like you want to do mandala art patiently. Or else like you will do fast. No, I want to do fast. Then you're like, if I'm doing this circle, if I do fast, that circle will get automatically get true. That's why if you want perfect, do it patiently.
Very good. Very good. And what
Yes,
it
ma'am.
represents, you
And
know? Yes, yes. Tell me. You tell me first, then I will explain.
ma'am,
Yes,
in
Shikha.
mandala art, there are so many patterns. We can draw something like hanging wall hanging type. We can draw in bag also mandala art.
Okay, so I
Excuse
just
me,
got
ma'am.
information from Shikha, Rajeshri, and Bhairavi. Three things I.
Ma'am, may I show you
Yeah.
Worli art?
Yes. So let me finish with this mandala topic first. Yes, beta Mahir, nice work, beta. So mandala.
Ma'am, this is today's world. Everyone is in mobile phone. Busy in mobile phone.
Yeah, I can see your work, beta. I'm in a laptop. So Rajeshri told that mandala, you need a thin pen and all for making the design, and Shikha is showing that you can make a wall hanging kind of thing, this kind of, and Vairavi told that you have to do it patiently. So three things we learn, but the first thing is patience. We learn patience, how to keep patience for this drawing, correct? Mandala keeps your mind cool. If you do mandala art, it can keeps your mind cool. Okay, this is very important for your study also. You are doing small thing. Understand? You are doing small thing with total focus. So you are basically focused on the particular thing that you are making circle. You are focused on that circle, particular circle. You have to do it nicely. So your mind will not go anywhere else. Correct? This is the first thing you need to learn about mandala, about your life also. It represents your life. You can represent your feelings through mandala art. Okay, but mandala is not our topic. In your first lecture in school, we'll start with same line and shape and all, because for mandala also we use line. Correct? Yes, Mahir, now give your opinion what you are showing. So whatever drawing we are going to draw, everywhere line is important. For mandala also you are doing some lines, and worldly, it is also done with lines.
Mama.
Correct? Yes, beta.
Ma'am.
Yes, Rajeshri. This is also done with lines only. Very good. Nice work.
I'm in Varni art. We have to made the people like stick.
Yes. People, that is, we are using specially triangular shapes. Correct. So everything, everywhere is line. Line is important. So we need to
Yes,
learn the
ma'am.
lines, perfect lines, how to draw perfect lines. See, I'm showing you. See, someone, if you try, there are many students. So if you try to draw lines, simply lines, someone can draw like this very confidently. This is the way to understand your inner image. Someone can make very confident line. Someone make slowly. You can understand your inner portion, inner life, how you are by drawing the lines. Okay, it is your confidence area. Okay, and someone making like this, small, like
Ma'am, I
slowly.
make it from
Okay,
scale. I
and
make it
someone
from
is
scale.
making from scale. Correct. So this is your confidence level. So you have to, if you are in this position, number one, number two, you have to build, at least you have to come in this position. Then number three, then number four. Don't use scale. You don't need any support. You know how to draw line. You know ABCD. Correct. You don't need any support. Support when is it is required when you are making any geometrical shapes and all. That time you require for measurement only. Correct. But for basic drawing and all, you don't require any scale. You don't need any support. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
I know you all understood. So now imagine I'm giving you to draw a square box. If I told you to show only square box, you can draw roughly, correct? You can draw, ma'am, this is a square, because you know the measurement. You know this all sides are equal. So you can show me like this, ma'am, this is per square, correct? But if I show you, 1 second, someone is admin. Okay, but if I give you particular measurement, correct? If I give you particular measure that 3 centimeters square you have to draw, that time you need scale, correct? If I give you to make a 45-degree angle, that time you require what?
Uh, uh,
Protector.
Yes,
protector.
protector. Very good.
Protector.
Very good. But if I tell you just roughly, you can tell me like this, ma'am, this is 45-degree angle, because you know 45-degree angle is looking like this, correct? So for this basic thing, you don't require any scale, because if you always use the support, you will not be confident that time. Okay, so try to use when I'm teaching you something, some basic line, like if I teach you to make a house or like pot, symmetrical, asymmetrical, if I am showing, just for that, draw simple line for middle. Don't use scale. Like this. You know how to draw pots. What is the measurement? Both sides are equal. This is all is your visual image. Correct? You can understand it visually. Because I told you before in my lecture that we know if I ask you to tell me that what is the length of your door at home, so you can easily just give a simple measurement that, ma'am, this is the measurement of our door, correct? Because this concept is clear in your mind. Understood what I am going to clarify
Yes,
you?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So basic concept is clear. So for basic line, basic drawing, you don't require any skill. How many left? Okay. So first topic, this first 4 session will be with line and shapes. We will start with line and shapes for this first 4 session. Clear? Like in line, I am just orally explaining you. You don't need to draw anything for that. I will tell you what you have to do. Just understand that thing, but you have to understand like for line, standing line, sleeping line, this all you know. Making square, making triangle, and making cube, this all you know, I think. If anyone yeah, who is this? Molly, better tell me what happened. Any queries, beta? No?
No, miss, nothing happened.
Okay.
No.
No problem. So one thing I'm showing you. Just see, you know this is square.